There's some visuals. Got my little microplane and knife there. And then here's a breakdown of what it should look like and what's in there. Forgot the butter in the original. Um, Add whipping cream, salt, and half of the chives to the eggs. Then you're gonna whisk that shit well until there's no strands of egg whites. You're gonna need a flexible flat edge spatula, a nonstick pan, and then melt your butter over medium heat. When it starts to sizzle, turn the heat up to medium high and add your eggs. After they've been in there for about 10 seconds, go ahead and start scraping the bottom of that pan with that spatula. And you're going to keep making this motion back and forth, trying to get as many of the edges as you can. And what that does is that creates these little sheets of eggs, which give it like a nice little fluffy texture. So as you push it, you'll see that the um, watery part of the egg fills the bottom of the pan, and then that piece cooks. So you're always moving the egg so they never overcooks and toughens up the texture. About while it's still wet on top, I put my cheese on, and then I add the rest of the chives, and then I scrape the bottom again, allowing that liquidy part to occupy. And this was really fucking hard to do, trying to film it and then trying to get it all just right. You'll notice up here soon, I'm gonna try to flip this bitch, and it ain't gonna work. I just couldn't pay attention to the bottom of that pan as well as I wanted to. But I got to keep that bottom moving because I don't want to burn any or overcook any part of the bottom. This is where I fail right here. Watch, it's coming soon. And then I said, fuck it. And then I decided to flip the rest of it on my own. So I'm taking that wet part and I'm putting it face down because that's the side I want to cook. So I'm gonna move that around a little bit. I'm gonna let that wet part um, cook. I'm waiting a little bit. I'm not gonna wait too long. And then I'm gonna flip that shit again so it doesn't burn. And then right about here, I kind of let it go a little bit. And then I turn off that heat immediately. Let it set for just a few seconds. And then I'm going to take that shit out of the pan as quick as possible. And this is what it looks like after it's been setting for maybe about 10, 15 seconds, maybe 20. I don't know. But that's off the heat. And then this is what it looks like when you cut it. You can kind of see it's a little wet inside, exactly how I like it. But anyway, that's how I do my eggs.